Now, Chateau Haut-Brion in France's Bordeaux region is one of the world's finest wines. And that means it's in high demand, not just from wine lovers, but also from investors, as Louise Beale now reports.
It's from these vines that one of the world's most sought-after wines is produced. Here at Chateau Haut-Brion, they make a red that has what's known as first growth status. More than 50 Bordeaux wines are classified, but only 5, including the Haut-Brion, have this top rating. Every care is taken to ensure the wine tastes as good as possible. But increasingly, it's not being bought to be drunk. Instead, it's being bought as an investment.
We have a huge demand from the United States at the beginning of the 80s. Now we have a huge demand from Far East and especially from China.
This demand for Haut-Brion means the current European broker price for, say, a single bottle of the 1945 vintage is around €3,750. As the chateau only turns out between 10 and 11,000 cases of Haut-Brion every year, any increase in demand is likely to push prices higher. And wine investors are already seeing a rise in demand for all fine wines from markets including India, Asia, Russia and South America.
What everyone forgets is that before any of those emerging markets existed, Europe and America consumed every bottle that these chateaux ever produced. So the demand is growing, but the production has remained finite.
Berry Brothers has been selling wine from their shop here in central London for over 300 years. They sell wholesale too. Joss, what Haut-Brion have you got in stock at the moment?
At the moment, we've got some of this 1982.
So how much does a bottle of this cost?
If you want to take this one away with you, it'll be just under £800. I can make a pretty strong argument that there's easily £800 worth of pleasure in here.
I have to take your word for it.
Yeah, no
because
question.
You're not going to open it, are you?
No.
Berry Brothers has also seen increased demand for fine wine from new buyers in Asia, which in turn has sent more European investors their way. But they're confident there are those who are still drinking the wine too.
If you want to put some money into wine, you should research it a little bit. And researching wine is much more fun, much more interesting than researching the, a stock price or what have you. And people do actually tend to sort of like get brought into the whole romance of it and actually the beauty of what's in the bottle itself.
That will come as a relief to those back at the chateau who say they'd rather sell wine to people who drink it, not invest in it. Louise Beale, Bloomberg.